Hey everyone, welcome back to CarWow 786. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Sony Honda Mobility Afeela 1, a luxury electric vehicle that's set to revolutionize the automotive industry. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and impressive features, the Afeela 1 is a top contender in its class. Let's take a closer look. The exterior of the 2026 Afeela 1 is a masterclass in design, with a sleek and aerodynamic body that's both stunning and functional. The LED headlights are sharp and angular, adding to the car's aggressive stance. The Afeela 1E's design is a perfect blend of style and substance, with features like active aerodynamics and advanced LED lighting. Inside, the Afeela 1 is just as impressive, with a luxurious interior that's trimmed in premium materials. The dashboard-length screen is incredibly intuitive and responsive, making it easy to navigate through menus and features. The Afeela 1 also comes with a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. But what really sets the Afeela 1 apart is its technology. With 40 sensors and cameras, the Afeela 1 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems ADAS and an AI-powered personal interactive agent, ensuring a safer, smarter, and more enjoyable drive. The Afeela 1 also features a range of innovative features, including a panoramic screen, spatial sound system, and PlayStation compatibility. The Afeela 1 is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain, producing 482 horsepower and 360 kilowatts of power. The 91 kWh battery delivers an impressive 300 miles of EPA range, supported by 150 kilowatts DC fast charging and compatibility with Tesla superchargers. We were impressed by the Afeela 1E's features and capabilities, particularly its advanced technology and innovative design. With a starting price of $89,900, the Afeela 1 is a luxury electric vehicle that's sure to turn heads. Whether you're driving on the highway or navigating city streets, the Afeela 1 delivers a smooth and controlled ride. In conclusion, the 2026 Sony Honda Mobility Afeela 1 is an exceptional vehicle that combines stunning design, advanced technology, and impressive features. With its luxurious interior, advanced safety features, and innovative technology, it's a top contender for anyone looking for a luxury electric vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video. Word count 413. Afeela 1 key specifications: powertrain, dual motor all-wheel drive, 482 horsepower battery, 91 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. Range 300 miles EPA range charging, 150 kilowatts DC fast charging, compatible with Tesla superchargers. Price starting at $89,900. Would you like to know more about the Afeela 1E's features and capabilities?